Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Meta Ads account to Claude using the Meta Ads MCP connector. Once connected, Claude can help you analyze campaigns, generate reports, create audiences, optimize ads, and much more. Let's get started. First, log in to your Claude account. From the bottom left corner, click on your profile icon. Then click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Connectors. If you don't see Connectors, don't worry. Claude has recently moved this feature under Customize. Click on Customize. Now, click the plus icon and select Add Custom Connector. Next, enter a name for your connector. For example, I will name it Meta Ads MCP. Now enter the Meta MCP server URL. Type https://mcp.facebook.com/ads. Make sure the URL starts with HTTPS, otherwise the connection may not work correctly. Click Add. Claude will now ask you to connect your Facebook account. If you're already logged into Facebook, you'll see the authorization screen immediately. Click Continue with your account. Next, choose the Facebook pages and business managers that you want Claude to access. Select the assets you want to connect and click Save. You will now see a list of permissions that Claude is requesting. These permissions are grouped by different tasks and actions. For this example, I only want Claude to have read-only access. Review each permission carefully and choose whether to allow or block access. Once you've finished reviewing the permissions, complete the setup process. Now, let's test the connection. Open a new Claude chat. I'll ask Claude to generate a report from one of my Meta ad accounts. We can see that Claude successfully found the ad account and Facebook page that I requested. During the process, Claude may ask for additional permissions one or more times, depending on the action you're requesting. That's completely normal. Now, Claude is pulling live data from the selected Meta Ads account. Once connected, you can ask Claude to perform a variety of tasks, including generate custom performance reports, analyze campaign results, create new campaigns, build audiences, recommend optimization opportunities, review ad performance, create automated lead notifications, and help manage your Meta advertising workflow. This can save a significant amount of time, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns or client accounts. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Digital Growth Tutor for more tutorials on Meta Ads, Google Ads, AI tools, and digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.